So today I'm going to make a realistic portrait with pencils. It's quite hard for me because I'm not a really good portrait artist, but still I'll try my best. So buckle up. So first I'm making the basic shapes and outline. It's really important because I want to make this portrait as accurate as possible. So I have to make the foundation almost perfect. I am using my mechanical pencil with a HB lead to do this because it's easy to erase and it doesn't damage the paper like other darker pencils. So here the basic sketch is almost done. Now I can start the detailed sketching part. This part is all about making proper outlines and drawing everything with a little bit of more details. To do this, I'm using a 2B wooden pencil as it provides darker lines and better grip. After making outlines of the face, here I am adding some basic shades to it. Just simply adding light and dark areas. Now I am using a soft charcoal pencil for the hairs and the mustache. It provides this matte black color which is perfect for the hairs. It's not shiny like graphite, which makes it awesome, but on the other hand, you cannot erase it. It means one mistake and your whole artwork is ruined. After spending almost 1 hour on the face, now I can move to the clothes. For clothes, I'm using the same technique. First, add light shades, then the dark shades, and then blend it. I'm trying to add more and more details, and that's making this process even longer. I know it's boring to watch it, but believe me, doing this is much harder. It's almost 1.5 hours in, and my back is in so much pain. Cause I don't have my desk in my room right now, so I have to draw on my bed. I really want to sleep now. Okay, so now it's almost 3 hours in, and my back is in so much pain. So now I'm almost 4 hours in and the main subject is done. Now it's time for the background and I'm really lazy for that, so let's just blend some graphite around it. It'll do the job. And so it's done. Enjoy. I hope you have already recognized him. He is my favorite actor and I'm pretty sure that I don't have to introduce him. Comment down below if you are a big fan of this legend too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe. It's more important than any other thing.